Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And if you guys haven't seen the video, I have installed 22-inch Aqua hair extensions by Weft. And they're very long, and this is my first time washing them and blow drying them. So my experience with washing them was pretty easy. I mean, you do feel obviously where they were applied, but it's not like anything that is like unmanageable. I felt like it was fine. So now the next step is actually blow drying it and combing it out. So I figured I would film this process with you guys so you guys can see. And I take it out of this towel and like, let's see what we got. So here they are, all wet. And they're all mixed in with my natural hair. So I'm debating if I should, oh, here's a hair extension brush that I'm gonna be using. It's by Great Length, Hair Like You. This is the brush that I'm gonna use on these extensions. And I'm gonna brush out my hair and just see if I should add like a smoothing agent to them, or at least the top of my head, because the top of my hair right here, this is all my hair right here. So this is gonna be a little frizzier than the extensions. So I'm just debating if I should put like a blow dry spritz. I'll tell you what, this is fine. Like this is brushing out fine, nothing's matted. Cause I got worried about matting. You know what I mean? Like the extensions mixed with my real hair. I was like, oh no, like this is gonna be a mess, but it's actually not bad. I've had extensions before, but it's been so long. Look at that. Oh, look at that hair. Like, are we living or are we living? I'm deceased. Rapunzel, 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 who? I also put some self-tanner on today, so. Okay, so let's see. So all of my bundles are like stacked. Like you could probably see the difference now. I know what I'm gonna do. My Aqua hair extensions are so smooth. I'm gonna just lightly spray the top of my head with the iconic bonding spray by Brazilian Blowout. I just wanna smooth out the top of my hair. I love this spray. I use it after a Brazilian Blowout that I had. It's great. It just makes your hair really oily if you don't like give it some distance. Like I feel like one squirt is enough on each side. So I do a squirt, squirt, and a squirt at the back. There, that should smooth out the top of my hair so it blends more with the extensions. That's what I'm hoping for. And of course, as you see, when I brush my extensions out, I'm holding up here so I'm not pulling on them, so I don't obviously pull them out. They're tied into my hair really nice, but still, they are extensions, you know? Just take care of them, you know, just be gentle. So I parted it down here. I'm just gonna look at my calic. Look at my calic. Do you see my calic? That's crazy, right? Okay, I'm gonna straighten it. Here's my hair, look at it. Oh my God. I hope it's all dry. I look like, wonder what I look like? The person from The Ring, you know how she like comes out and she's like, and like. So I'm gonna do this similar to how I do my real hair. I usually get some busted clip that I already have, and then I just, like, what I'll do is I'll do it in sections. So get my hair extensions or not, and today I'm gonna straighten just because he curled them, so I'm just curious to see like what the blonde Pocahontas is really gonna look like. Okay, guys, the straightener I'm using is a Croc. I love Croc. It heats to 450, it's all digital. The only thing with Croc is I go through a lot of them. I don't know how reliable they are. I mean, I've gone through 3 of them, and to me, in like a hair straightener world, that's a lot. So if anything happens to this one, I'm gonna probably be in the market for a new brand. So here is like a perfect example of like my real hair and the extension, like it's both. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Croc and just take it straight down and see. So it looks like it's straightening well. Let's keep going with it. Okay guys, so my hair is done. I did straighten it, so it's my first time straightening it. I think I need to come up with like a better like way of doing it. It's just my first time. Yes, it was a lot of work and I'm pretty tired. So I'm gonna go relax. I'm gonna go do Netflix and chill with my husband. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know how you're liking the extensions and if you plan on getting extensions or whatever your favorite skincare product is. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Bye.